Good morning. It is, I have no idea what time it is. I think it's coming up on about 6:45, 7 o'clock, somewhere in there. Been looking over the itinerary for the day. Saying goodbye to people. The rides that leave at 9 a.m. And then nothing until 6:30 for the 50-50 drawing. And the dinner at a place called Wedgie's. And truthfully, I don't know if I'm going to go riding today. I don't think I'm going to. I've pretty much accepted the fact that I'm not going to. It's just so hot, and I'm not going to a place called the Valley of Fire in 100-degree heat. I'm just not doing it. So I decided I'm going to stick around the hotel today, but I have no idea what I'm going to do. I mean, some of it's going to be just packing up for tomorrow. That's a given. I have to do that. But after that, what do I do? So, I've been toying with the idea of just going over to Walmart, picking up a pair of swim trunks and hanging out by the pool. But again, it's 100 degrees out there. So yeah, I just don't know. I don't want to sit around in a casino all damn day. I might just buzz up and down and around the town a little bit. I don't know. I just don't know. I keep on looking at the viewfinder here. That's kind of why it doesn't really look like I'm looking at you, but it's kind of weird to look there. I want to look to see what I'm shooting. My wife and kids are supposed to be going to Chicago today. They're having a Chicago day for Ellie. Steve is going to be flying up to pick up Ellie, and then they're going to take Ellie's car back to Oregon. I know that they're having a big shindig over at Tillotson's. Bruce wanted me to smoke up some stuff, but he's never told me exactly what he wants me to smoke. And I think I need to transport one of my smokers to his house. I just noticed my battery icon. This battery didn't charge last night. I thought I had it plugged in. It must not have been in right. I have to plug it in and get this battery charged if I'm going to do any recording. I left all the batteries out on the bike last night. I didn't use any of my secondary batteries. I only used the one in the GoPro down here, and then the one that's in the camera now. Those are the only batteries I used. Alright, I'm going to go because I really can't think of anything I'm going to talk about. I just can't think of anything right now. So I will see you later. Okay, so I've been sitting here just watching a little TV back there. They've been playing classic football games, college games. So I've been watching that, but housekeeping came and gave me all new bedding. And now I'm just kind of getting caught up on my YouTube. I'm pretty much packed up and ready to go. But I'm thinking about going down and getting some lunch here pretty soon. I don't know exactly where I'm going to go for that, but I'll find something. I did find the restaurant where we're going to have dinner tonight. So I'll go there in a bit, for dinner, of course. But yeah, for now it's just, I'm still relaxing. I laid down, took a little bit of a nap, and I'm just having a me day. I'm not really doing much of anything with the club today. I don't even know where everybody's at. I know a few people did go on rides, but there are a number of bikes still left in the parking lot. A lot of them are kind of like me. It's going to get so hot today that they didn't want to go. So, but yeah, it's going to be about noon, so I'm thinking about going to get some lunch. Okay, bye. Yeah, this is a nothing video, is it? This is... I've been laying on the bed. I took a nap for about a half an hour. Yeah, like I said, I'm just not doing a whole lot today. Just recuperating, getting energized, although right now I don't feel energized. I'm feeling more and more drained just from laying around. So I think I need to move around, go downstairs, maybe get a cup of coffee or something. Do something. You might get some blood moving now. Not going for dinner for another probably 4 hours yet. Yeah, I think dinner's at like 6:30. It's only like 2:30 right now. Well, the good thing is that my bag is pretty much all packed up. My coats are hanging up in the closet. It's back over that way. So all I gotta do then is pick up all my electronics crap off the table here, and I got a few things laying over by my helmet over here. But short of that, I'm pretty much ready just to take it all downstairs and strap it on the bike and go. Yeah, I need to go downstairs and get a snack. It's coming up on, after school snack times. So yeah, I need to go down and get a little something to eat, a little sugar in me. Okay, see you later.
Have to hold it. No, I'm like, can they hear me? Is this video? This is video. They can actually hear me. Hold on. Hello.
Hello.
I'm not even drinking. I got water.
You can call me Sam. I'm an Aquarius.
How you doing? What's my favorite color?
I hope it's not